All right, man, just for the sake of time, I'm just going to take a quick video of how I have my stuff spliced in. Perhaps your wires should be technically the same. So I'm going to lock in here real quick. All right, I have all the running LEDs. The white line is connected to, let's see what else we got connected to. The white is plugged into the reds and the purples. The purple is connected to the running bulb, the orange running bulb, which is designated by purple on this plug here. All right, so I spliced into the purple wire on this side, purple with silver stripes from what I can tell, and the reds coming in from the turn signals also go into that same plug. Then on the negative side, I have the black lines, right, from the running LEDs connected and spliced into the white line with the black, looks like a black stripe. But yeah, they all plug in into this orange light bulb that's in the headlight. Let's double check the other side real quick. All right, so on this side, let's get this out of the way. Looks like it's exactly the same setup. The blacks are spliced into the, let's see, a better shot here. All the black lines are spliced into the gray plug with the white wire and the black stripe on it. There we go. And then there's also a purple wire that's on the bottom of this plug. The purple wire spliced in for the white line coming in from the running LEDs, and the red light, the red wires used for the, what do you call it? The headlights. Not the headlights. What the hell is that right there? The black and the red. They're connected to the halos. So this red thin line is connected to the red halo positive side, and the black one is connected to the halo negative side. So that's really pretty much it. Yeah, I don't think there's any more splices because those connect directly to the, yeah, and those connect directly to the headlights. So those are fine. The only splice you got to worry about is this stuff here. That should be it. So double check your splicing. Make sure you connected purple for the negative side, purple for the positive side, sorry, and white with the black stripe on the negative side. That should be it. Check it out. Let me know if that's how you have it right now.